Well, I really wanted to get on the back of my truck, but needless to say, I was late. DNS 204. Train it could be. I would say 222, but no. And whatever happened to 264? I've heard nothing from 264 in months. It says it's still on the board, but I hear a lot of 222s though. Last time this train only had 2 engines up front, they had a pusher in the middle. Is a huge train ever since they consolidated what was on 214 between Atlanta and Rutherford Yard on to 204. Generally 10K, sometimes longer, sometimes not as long, but average out about 10K. Here's the pushers, looks like UP pushers. Wow. I don't think I can ever get used to pushers being on these intermodals. We just used to never see it. A UP AC44 and AC45, that's their number. Basically, that's what an Evolution series of some sort, Evo motor. There's something going south down to Spartanburg sub, but I don't know if they're leaving or just making moves. Fortunately, the speed limit, you know, the next couple miles down the road on this line is like 10 miles an hour, so I can run them down if I need to. And I got to get some batteries for the scanner anyway, so I know they were talking about 20 feet, but they've moved more than 20 feet, even if they ain't running to 10. So maybe I'll go down to Arkwright and snag them. Like I said, 204 has been huge since they've done this. A yellow 53-foot container. Wow. Prime intermodal. Still coming. Oh no, there's the rear. Wow. It's a huge train. Wish I would have caught this train going by Cherokee, CP Cherokee and Gaston. The motors would have sounded nice. both sets. All right. NS204 with a couple of UPGEs pushing in the middle, long train. They're going northbound by Magnolia Amtrak station here in Spartanburg. Oh, track one.